Dollar Tree has stocked up with amazing organization, home decor, cleaning products, and more. Did I tell you they have another pink stuff dupe? Let me show you. Come along with me. First up, we're going to check out the organization section. Here I found a cute and colorful oval tub in different colors. These are perfect for tidying up any space in your home, whether you need to corral toys, organize pantry items. Dollar Tree got you covered, my friend. Next up, check out the 5-gallon storage tote with a lid in the plus section. This is great for storing bulky items like seasonal decorations or clothing like gloves, hats, and more. Plus, with the lid, you can stack them high without worrying about anything spilling out. Before I show you how I use these yogurt cups that made my daughter so excited, look at these big storage baskets with handles. You can use these baskets in your closets or for filing in your office. They can also double for storing bulky items in the pantry. Check out this flexible laundry basket. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and perfect for hauling around your dirty laundry with ease. This will be great for the guest room, baby nursery, and storing kids' toys like stuffed animals and more. If you still need more additional storage solutions, Dollar Tree got these storage locker bins, and they have spruced them up by adding more colors. And don't forget the basket labels. With these handy labels, you can easily categorize and identify the contents of your basket, making it a breeze to find what you need when you need it. Okay, now this is what I was talking about. These portable yogurt cups, they are available in various colors as you can see here. These portable cups are designed with convenience in mind and come with storage and a foldable spoon. They are perfect for busy schedules. You can easily enjoy a customizable snack on the go. They are also ideal for meal prep, work, school, and more. Stay tuned and see my daughter's reaction when she saw the yogurt parfait I made for her afternoon snack. Next, check out this rotating 4-claw hook. It comes in white and gray. I have used it to hang handbags as you can see here, and I have also used it to hang string tops, tank tops. This is so neat and easy to use as well. Look at that. Moving on, check out these magnetic hooks I found in the office section. They come in handy for hanging keys, hats, or even kitchen utensils. These hooks are a lifesaver when it comes to keeping your items neat and tidy. Of course, I had to pass through the cleaning section. If you know your girl, she loves trying different products. And look what I found. This all-purpose cleaner pink formula, which happens to be a dupe for the popular pink stuff all-purpose cleaner. I'm really curious to see how it stacks up against the big brand name. Of course, it made it into the cart. I will definitely be putting it to the test very soon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see the results. Next is this BioPure antibacterial hand wipes with aloe and vitamin E, perfect for on-the-go cleaning. These wipes are fantastic. They have enough moisture to effectively clean your hands, and I love that the scent is subtle and not overpowering at all. With spring and summer coming, get ready to add some charm to your outdoor space. Look at these solar flower stakes available in shades of pink, blue, and yellow. These vibrant blooms not only add a splash of color to your garden during the day, but they also illuminate your outdoor space with a soft glow at night. They are so pretty, y'all. Look at that. Next is these cute animal solar stakes. They also come in different colors and each stake measures 24 inches. They give character to your garden, lawn, and planters. If you're getting any value from this video, may you hit that like button so the video may spread to more people. Thank you so much for your support. And here are more garden stakes with some nice details as well. If you're looking to add some height and visual interest to your garden, look no further than Dollar Tree's selection of these garden swelling stakes. These stakes create eye-catching focal points and elevate the look of your outdoor space. And of course, no garden is complete without a warm welcome. Hang up any of these charming flowers welcome sign and set the tone for a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. But that's not all, my friend. Dollar Tree also offers a variety of other garden essentials, including these adorable bed houses. They are so cute, right? Let me know in the comments your favorite product from this haul. They also have staked bird feeders or bird bath in different colors. Look at that. They are so pretty, y'all. All these are great for your feathered friends, giving them cozy nesting spots and refreshing watering stations. So if you're ready to elevate your outdoor oasis with affordable and adorable garden decor, head over onto the Dollar Tree and let your creativity bloom. In the plus section, look what I found. These metal solar lanterns. They are not only functional but also stylish, featuring intricate details and designs that add a touch of elegance to any indoor or outdoor space. Whether you hang them on the porch to create a warm ambience or use them as table centerpieces for a cozy dinner, these solar lanterns are sure to enhance the atmosphere of your home. Next are these cute decorative small bottles. These charming little bottles add a warm touch to your home decor. You can use them as vases to display your favorite flowers or simply place them on a shelf as decorative accents. The possibilities are endless with this. Look at this decorative decor piece. You can use this piece as a decorative accent on shelves or tables to add visual interest and dimension to your space. Moving on, check out these elegant decorative knobs. This got me so excited and I was shocked they are at the Dollar Tree, y'all. They are perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your furniture and cabinets. Whether you're giving an old dresser a makeover or DIYing a custom jewelry organizer, these knobs are sure to add a stylish finish touch to any project. Moving on, check out this soft travel pillow made with memory foam and a washable cover. It offers optimal support and comfort. You can choose from classic black, animal print, or this subtle gray to suit your style. Simplify your travel toiletry routine with this convenient dispenser pump. It's ideal for storing and dispensing your favorite liquids like shampoo, conditioner, or lotion. Stay hydrated on the go with this motivational water bottle featuring timestamps with reminders throughout the day to keep on drinking water. It has a built-in straw with effortless sipping and a convenient handle for portability. It also comes in this matte black finish. This water bottle is like an accountability partner who keeps you in check. We all need that, don't we? In the pet section, Dollar Tree have some convenient and practical options for our furry friends. This collapsible travel ball is perfect for pet owners on the go. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to carry, making it ideal for travel, hikes, or even just a day out at the park with your furry baby. Simply pop it open when it's time for a water or food break and collapse it down when you're done for easy storage. Next up is this cat ball. It's designed with convenience in mind. It's durable, easy to clean, and just the right size for your kitty meals, whether you're at home or on the road. Now you can keep your cat happy wherever you go. Check out this video I suggest next for more valuable content and share the video with people in your life. Remember to take care of you, my friend, because you're special. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. This is not yours. No! No, wait! Hey. What? Hold on, I'll give you. Hold on. How many points do you give the yogurt?
1,000,000 trillion.
What? It's so yummy, huh? Nice. Nice. It's finished, okay?
No! No!
Yeah, it's done.